Hello chaps, today we're going to be doing a disaster detail on this filthy Audi R8. This supercar is filthy, especially on the inside, and there's no hiding that. The wheels are pretty dirty too, so we're going to clean them first. Due to the brake discs being carbon ceramic, I cannot use any wheel cleaner, only pH neutral blue snow foam. Time to pre-wash this R8. This snow foam will enter every crack and corner of the car, putting out that dirt. The soap has now bonded with the grime, so it can be all blasted away. Subscribe as we give all of our car cleaning secrets away for free. We now complete the hand wash. Chaps, what are your thoughts on the matte finish on the car? We're using different mitts for the lower parts to avoid spreading dirt. Be sure to give this video a free like and share it with your friends if you have enjoyed it. I now dry the car both with a towel and with air. Chaps, if you want to learn exactly how to wash a car, we have actually created an in-depth how to wash a car series, where we teach you how to complete every step of the wash to perfection. It's also completely free, so you can head on over to our channel and you'll find it in the playlist section. Before we move on into the filthy interior, all we need to do is clean the glass. Now chaps, let's transform this interior. Have you ever seen a supercar in this condition? Even though the vacuum has picked up most of the gunk, some of it has embedded into the carpet fibers, causing stains. So we need to give these carpets a rigorous cleansing. Time to scrub down the rest of the mess. This is a revolutionary foam which we are currently developing, as it cleans and dresses the engine bay at the same time. So head on over to tinocarcare.com for the most advanced and high-tech products. Let's get those final touches to make sure everything is perfect.
Tino, can you explain what this is here?
Let's have a look. Oh, just this section here. It looks like you may have a fox pop. Looks like a fox has climbed onto your car and made its way to the roof, I believe. As you can see, there's a lot of paw marks along the bonnet.
Yes.
So would you normally park it outside or
Yes,
on the ground?
it's parked outside of my girlfriend's by the bins. So that would explain. They're probably trying to get to the bins on top of the car.
So guys, this is a major risk in the car cleaning business, as dirt can cover scratches and marks, and once you clean the car, these imperfections are revealed and shine through. So the customer may think that you have caused it, as they are seeing it for the first time. But here are your results. Enjoy. Just look at that transformation. That finish is seriously next level. The Audi is looking fantastic. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.